In this video, I'll show you how to change the language in Google Chrome step by step. And don't worry, it'll be easy even if you don't understand the language currently displayed on your screen. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, click the three-dot menu. From the drop-down menu, select the option with the gear icon. This is the settings menu and it's usually near the bottom. Once the settings page opens, look at the left sidebar and find the icon with an Asian character and the letter A. This is the universal symbol for translation in languages. Click on that icon to open the language settings. Here you'll see the languages currently added to your browser. If you already see the language you want to use, that's great. Just click the three dots next to that language. Then tick the checkbox at the top. After that, Chrome may ask you to relaunch the browser. Click the blue button beside your language and Chrome should restart in your selected language. If you don't see your preferred language, click the button near the top of the page. It's usually the only major button in that section. A list of available languages will appear. Search for the language you want to use. The great thing is that you can search using that language itself. For example, if you want Spanish, type Español. If you want German, type Deutsch. If you want English, type English, and so on. I'll switch back to English. Check the box next to your preferred language, then click the button in the bottom right corner. That should normally be the Add button. Once the language appears in the list, click the three dots next to it. Now tick the checkbox at the top. Chrome may ask you to relaunch the browser again. Then click the blue button beside your language. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Chrome tips and browser tutorials. Thanks for watching.